Well, good morning, Miss Baby. So please tell me, based on the LP for next week, you will teach Sanskrit from what page?
Sorry,
Maybe just use the pen. I think
page 11.
just use the cable.
There's no page here. It's okay. This is the finger.
This one is.
Okay, so
Alright. So please tell me what will you do for this part before you deliver these pages for the Sanskrit.
okay, before that I will open for the applications, okay, with the same unit A, B, C. A sounds B sounds B, and C sounds K. Okay, and before that I will teach them to guide them to read without the pictures. If the activation has done like this.
Alright.
And after that we are going to do our exercise, okay? Because this is from the it's like
Do
this
we
is
have
from
the apps there? Miss? Can we open it?
Yes, sir.
Can we open the apps now? I mean
Oh,
the
yes.
audio, yeah, the audio,
Yes,
not
sir.
apps,
Yes,
yeah.
sir.
Audio. Pergi. Di mana? Ini dari mana, Mak? Okay.
Okay, like this, sir.
Yeah.
This is focus for the listening, right? So before that, I will show the book first, and then I will get them to listen this exercise. Okay, try 8. I will give the instruction first, like listen and circle the correct picture. Okay, like number 1.
Track 8, page 11. Listen and circle the correct picture. Number 1. Angry.
Angry. Okay, I will stop first. And then I will ask them, okay, look at the picture number 1. This is for, what picture is this? Angry. Okay, for the second picture is book. Okay, so for angry or for book. Okay, so
Can
like
you-
I will, yes sir?
Yes. Can you play first? Can you make the
Minimize.
minimize first this picture. So okay, and now we listen the audio and please answer all.
As well.
Yes, we listen first the audio.
Number 2.
Number 2.
Cat.
Cat.
Number 3.
Cannot. So
Ant.
to the laptop and the laptop, sir.
You just play first all.
Play was on. No need to.
Yeah.
Number 4.
Number 3.
Bear.
Bear.
Okay, can you circle the answer? Maybe from the from the PDF.
From the PDF.
This one the light pen cannot work. You mean?
Yes, Miss. Yes, sorry. Since yesterday, sir. No, I think because the laptop, sir, is different, right?
Yesterday because of cannot.
Cannot.
This laptop
Yes, sir. Because
there.
yes.
Oh, not here, right? Oh, here we can because it's the invitation. This. So this one cat. That's right. So this one what?
And
And
the provider.
so because not focus because you have set here.
Yes, sir. We should set first. Yeah.
So this one what?
There.
Okay, this
And
and okay, this one. Sorry. Now please you explain the answer and try to mention the sum together with your student. Just mention. Okay, number one, the answer is angry. Please read.
okay, so according to our exercise, start from number 1, A for angry. Okay, for number 2 is k for cat. You circle the cat. And then number 3 is ant. You circle ants. And for the last number is b for bear. Okay, done.
One more time.
Okay, so from number 1, you just circle the picture based on the sound. Like number 1, A for angry. Okay, and for number 2 is for cat. You circle cat. Okay, and number 3 is for ant. You circle ant. And the last number is for you bear. You circle bear.
Okay. So this one for which? What page is that one? 12.
It's 12.
Oh, this one can miss.
From here, sorry, 11. From here, can match, right?
Oh, but this one is not working right. Okay, next, this one. How do you try to give the instruction for this one?
Okay, for this exercise, for this part, I will ask them to give the instruction first, okay, to circle the correct letter. So I will ask them
Maybe
to...
like this. Just try to explain to me or to ask you as your student. Give us the instruction as your students to answer this one. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, like this, what picture is this? Okay, this is baby. Okay, baby, what is the beginning letter of baby? A, B, or C? Okay? Okay, so the answer is B, miss. Okay, the letter is B, but the answer is B, baby. You circle it, this one. Okay, next for number 2, what picture is this, guys? This is cup. Okay, so what is the beginning letter of cup? A, B, or C, Okay, cup. What is that? C means okay. You circle
Alright,
it.
thank you, Miss Baby. Next, until 11.
Yes, for the
Next,
we have
12?
12.
Just now you explained what page? 11.
11.
Go to 12 now.
Yes, sir?
Go to 12.
12. Okay, this is still same with the track. Listen to
Yes.
the beginning sound.
Yeah. Okay.
Just play the track.
Yeah.
Track 9, page 12.
Rapper.
Listen to the beginning sound. Circle the correct picture. Number 1.
Cookie.
Number 2.
For alligator.
Number 3.
3. Baby. Okay, so but before that I will give the I will ask them to mention the picture first to guess the picture like this. Like apple first, right? Apple. And this one bird. I will write. And then
Let me try like this only. I want you to mention the beginning letter of all of the words. Me, I try it. Number 1. Apple. So That's true.
Yes,
Number 2.
B.
And then the picture, the third picture is What's that?
Cookie.
Cookie. Okay, now you try it, please. Number 1 to 3.
Okay, number 1 is apple. Bird. Cookie. And number 2 is cup. Book. Alligator. And number 3 we have baby. Ant. And the last is cat. Like that. So after that I can play the track.
Next.
This one.
Yeah.
But yes, listen and write the letter that begins the word. But sometimes for this exercise we don't need to play this one because we just guess the picture and then guess the beginning letter from the picture. Like this, like number 1.
But you want to say that the videos you don't play.
Sometimes I play, sometimes I don't need to play.
It should be played.
It should be played.
Yes. Okay, now what about this?
Okay, for this, so I play the tracks.
No.
Okay, so for this number 1, I give it to you the example. What picture is this? Alligator. So alligator, you just write the uppercase of A and the lowercase a. Like that, 2 times. Like this number 2 is k.
So how do you try to do these ones? If the fact some students they cannot write down A.
Later I will guide them sir to how to write the letter A. Okay, you make it the line first down and make it the same right and left, and you make it the line enter bottom like that sir.
Okay.
And then this one you make the half circle first and make the line.
So because this one is still beginning, alright, of course we should try to do together, right?
Yes sir.
Do together because this one still, they are still newbie over here. So it means that you still play the audio, we still write down the answer there, but at the end later we just try to ask them to copy paste from this one. But this one is not about cheating, or you just want to make easy work, but because this one's still the first unit, so the discussion is still played over there. We still play the audio, we explain the sound, but after that the teacher will write down. Okay, thank you. Now we go to Sri Baca Tulis. Yeah.
Oke, untuk seri baca tulis sebelumnya, untuk memulai saya lebih dulu untuk mereview huruf konsonan, hurufnya dari huruf A sampai Z. Oke, setelah itu balik lagi ke minggu sebelumnya, itu ada pembahasan huruf vokal A, I, U, E, O. Meskipun ini halamannya fokus ke O, tapi nanti saya bagi kayak di whiteboard itu A, I, U, E, O. Setelah itu masih ada hubungan dengan homework mereka.
What's the L? Continue.
Oke, setelah itu ada seperti memberi huruf B, A, B, B, I, B, B,
Sorry.
U, B, O, O. Oke, setelah itu nanti saya minta mereka satu persatu untuk mengeja ke depan dan menebak beberapa huruf di depan.
Yeah. You open there, so you know that what she explain.
Oke, untuk latihannya
Coba ulang dulu, sorry.
Oke, jadi pertama itu saya akan mereview lagi huruf A sampai Z.
Yeah, continue.
Oke, sebelum masuk ke dalam tugas, di sini saya akan mereview dulu huruf dari A sampai Z. Setelah itu masuk ke dalam huruf vokal A, I, U, E, O. Setelah itu saya akan menulis beberapa kata seperti seperti B, A, B, B, I, B, B, U, U, C, A, C, C, I, C. Dan setelah itu saya meminta mereka satu persatu untuk mengeja huruf itu dan menebak beberapa huruf itu. Setelah itu sebelum masuk ke dalam tugas, saya akan memberikan contoh. Saya kan di sini menebak huruf apa ini? O, oke. Dan ini adalah contoh benda yang berawalan dari huruf O. Setelah itu saya akan memberikan contoh lainnya. Selain obeng ada juga obor. Oke,
So dalam Sri Baca Tulis, saya mau tanya, Sri Baca Tulis yang sudah dipelajari 1 minggu ini dan minggu depan, fokusnya kemana, Miss?
huruf vokal A, I, U, E.
Oke. A, U, E, O.
Sorry, A, I, ikan, E, ember, yes, A, I, E.
Dan ini O.
Ya, dan ini O, untuk minggu ini O. Minggu depan, sorry.
Jadi kalau misalnya begitu, apa review yang bisa lakukan? Karena dia pengulangan materi yang A, I, E, O.
Oke, untuk mereviewnya saya lebih ke membaca, lebih mereka membaca saya. Itu saya ambil dari beberapa nomor mereka. Berarti misalnya kan itu huruf vokal dulu A, I, U, E, O, kan nggak semuanya masih banyak yang bingung kan untuk di English dan bahasa. Jadi saya fokus hanya dulu untuk satu huruf A, I, U, E, O, karena mereka beberapa murid masih ada yang menyebutnya E, I, I. Jadi saya harus mempertegaskan mereka untuk bisa membedakan in English sama in bahasa. Jadi masih untuk A, I, U, E, O, dan untuk A sampai Z. Kalau untuk mengeja, saya ambil dari nomor mereka seperti B, A, B, B, I, I.
Kalau saya minta kamu untuk buat kata, ini sudah ada katanya?
Belum bisa.
Oke.
Masih O, B, hanya mempertegas untuk huruf O.
Kalau misalnya ingin fokus ke huruf vokal O, kata apa yang ingin kamu berikan ke mereka supaya mereka bisa baca O? Vokal O dengan jelas.
Obor. Biasa. O. Opa. O, P, apa? Bisa lagi.
Misalnya bola.
Bola.
Berarti dia itu nggak selalu dia harus di depan.
Oh, tidak harus berawal.
Tidak harus di depan. Misalnya bola atau tapi dia harus vokal, paham? Nggak bisa kita bilang apa namanya bolong, cannot. It should be like bola. Ya masih vokal ya, bola atau o atau opa atau
Oma can
bona.
Oma.
Yes, something like that. Okay, so here my note here. Please give more example about huruf O, vokal O. Okay. Next, I want you to open rainbow science.
uses of my body parts.
Yes. Please give me explanation. Maybe try to mention all the words first.
Mention all the words, it means just mention.
Yeah.
Okay, again part all. Now we are going to the rainbow signs about uses of my body parts. Okay, like this. Legs. Legs for walk, jump.
Sorry, what? The first?
Legs.
After that?
Walk.
What?
Walk.
Sorry?
Walk.
Okay. Walk.
Walk.
Walk or walk?
Walk.
What about you?
Walk.
Walk or walk?
Walk.
Silent L or not?
Walk.
Silent L. So the L we don't read, right?
Walk.
Walk. This is same like this one is like right.
Right.
We don't say right, no, but we say right. Okay. Next.
Jump.
But later you search also. Maybe I'm wrong.
Okay.
About walk. L we pronounce or not like that. Next.
Jump. Run. Hands. Wave. Clap. Ride. Mouth. Talk.
Talk. Yes.
Almost same way.
Yes.
Right.
It means like this.
Well, still with the
Without L, right?
still.
You just mentioned like this, Miss, in Monica. Walk, silent L or not like that?
Walk.
Words with silent L. You got Monica?
Yes.
Walk, right?
Still with walk.
No L.
Walk.
Walk, jump, run. Wave, clap, right. Talk, sing,
Not
it.
same. So
Yes.
this is same.
Yes, same.
We have
Alright.
same.
Okay, thank you. Next. Explain a bit.
Okay, so for this, this is the use of my body parts. So if we want to walk and jump and run, we can use our legs. Yes, right? So I will ask them to do the. I will give it them to do this activity because I think this is like ice breaking so inside the class.
Yeah.
Okay, and then hands for wave,
This
clap.
is what page is? What page is?
6.
Okay.
6.
Okay, continue.
Okay, so if you want to talk and sing and eat, yes right, you can use your mouth, yes right. And after that, for our body, we can dance, swim, and to do the other exercise. Okay, now I will ask you to walk first. Walk with your legs, jump, and after that you can run. Okay, so.
Okay. So this is only page 6.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
No, we have exercise.
Huh?
This is my body part, my face.
Okay. Can you try to explain this one?
Okay, so this is
Like just pretend we are your student.
Okay, so this is about my face. Okay. Now I ask you to touch your face first. Okay, so in our face we have this one, touch your hair. Okay, we have our hair, right? Okay, now
Sorry, this one what?
hair.
Yeah, just now you did hair. Hair.
This is hat. Okay, sorry.
Hair.
Hair.
Ah.
Okay, so and then we have eyes, that's right, and then nose, mouth, chin. Okay, and then after that we have cheek, ear, and then we have eyebrow. Okay, so I want to ask you to show your tongue first. Say like this. Okay, so for all students have a tongue, yes, right, to taste the food. Yes, right.
Alright.
Okay,
please tell me the checkpoint question
Okay.
from little step.
From little steps. Oh, okay. From the review.
This one for little step. This one
The review or the new ones?
next week.
For next week. Okay. So we have two.
This one yeah, and this one that I get here.
Okay.
One is, can you mention the things in the class? That's the new one.
Yes.
One more, please mention.
Okay. Yes, I can. They are eraser and sharpeners.
Yeah, I mean, tell me another question.
Another question, sorry, sir. Okay, so can you mention the colors? Yes, I can. They are red, purple, green.
Sorry? Sorry? What? Can you?
Mention the colors?
Mhm.
Yes, I can. They are red, yellow, green, and purple.
This one for what
For-
day is
On Tuesday.
Tuesday? What about
Yes.
on Monday?
On Monday, we have checkpoint question about.
One more on Tuesday. What?
On Tuesday, okay, what is the favorite activity inside the class?
Okay.
My favorite activity inside the class is listening the story.
Okay. Next, rainbow signs.
Rainbow science review or the new ones?
What review?
Review, it's like what is the
I mean,
review?
do we have to put the review and the new one over here?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir. It's different. Yes, because before we start the lessons, we should give the
Review.
Yes,
Oh, okay. The new one I want.
the new one. Okay, so can you mention the body parts? Yes, I can. They are eye, mouth, and nose.
Mhm.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, rainbow map. You have question?
Yes, sir. Okay,
The new
so
one.
this is about big and small. Which one is the bigger, eraser or table? So the answer is table. Table is bigger than eraser. And after that, we have two questions, right? One more is, can you give it? Can you give the example of small things inside your class? Yes, I can. They are eraser and sharpeners. Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Miss Lin, Miss Baby.